Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make better purchasing decisions.
Today, we have an epic battle between two treadmills that will keep you fit and fabulous.
On the left, we have the AIRHOT under-desk treadmill, and on the right, we have the Cursor Fitness home folding treadmill.
Get ready for some serious treadmill talk.
Let's start with everyone's favorite topic, the price.
The AIRHOT under-desk treadmill comes in at just $239, while the Cursor Fitness home folding treadmill is slightly pricier at $299.
But hey, we're not here to judge your budget.
Choose wisely, my friend. Now let's talk about space.
The AIRHOT under-desk treadmill wins in this category with its compact design.
Measuring only 4.5 inches thick, it can easily fit under your desk, bed, or even your sofa. It's perfect for those with limited space.
Goodbye excuses.
Time to rev up those engines. The AIRHOT under-desk treadmill boasts a 2.5 horsepower motor, supporting weights of up to 265 pounds.
And guess what? It operates at a noise level below 45 decibels. So you can work out like a boss without disturbing your coworkers or annoying your family. Let's talk about the running experience.
The AIRHOT under-desk treadmill offers a spacious running area of 40 inches x 16.
With its dual layer belt and 14 shock points, it provides a comfortable and joint-friendly workout. Plus, the turf-textured running belt ensures you won't slip and slide like a clumsy penguin. Time to get nerdy with fitness data tracking.
The AIRHOT under-desk treadmill comes with a digital monitor and smart remote control to track your calories burned, speed, time, and distance. You can even customize your workout with its speed range of 0.6 to 3.7 miles per hour. Talk about precision.
Shh, listen carefully.
The Cursor Fitness home folding treadmill takes the crown for quiet operation. With its brushless motor, it emits only 40 to 65 decibels of noise. So you can work out peacefully without waking up the whole neighborhood. Your downstairs neighbors will thank you.
Let's talk about heart rates, shall we?
The Cursor Fitness home folding treadmill comes equipped with built-in handrail heart sensors, allowing you to monitor your heart rate in real time. You'll know if you're working out like a champ or slacking off like a couch potato. Get ready for some serious tech. The Cursor Fitness home folding treadmill features a digital LED console that displays your time, speed, distance, calories burned, and heart rate. You can choose from 12 preset programs or create your own personalized workout routine.
It's like having a personal trainer right in front of you.
Need some extra leg and elbow space? The Cursor Fitness home folding treadmill has got you covered with its spacious 15.4 x 40.2 running belt.
You, your family, and even your furry friends can enjoy a comfortable workout without feeling cramped.
Stretch those limbs.
Last but not least, let's talk about warranty and support.
The Cursor Fitness home folding treadmill offers an extended 5-year warranty, covering the frame structure for 5 years and parts for 1 year. Plus, their Cursor Care service team based in Los Angeles provides 24/7 support. They've got your back. The AIRHOT under-desk treadmill is praised for its easy setup, compact design, convenience, and effectiveness. It is highly recommended for daily walks and workouts, offering noise control and compact storage.
On the other hand, the Cursor Fitness home folding treadmill is praised for its ease of assembly, compact design, appropriate speeds, and affordability.
It is recommended for light jogging and walking.
Now it's up to you to decide which one suits your fitness needs and budget.
And there you have it, folks.
We've compared the AIRHOT under-desk treadmill and the Cursor Fitness home folding treadmill in various categories. Now it's up to you to decide which one suits your fitness needs and budget. Remember, staying fit is not just about the equipment, but also about your dedication and commitment. Stay tuned for more epic battles on Buy Smart, and until next time, keep buying smart.